Okay, so you'll pardon the backlit nature of it, but here is what the Brava looks like out of the box. See, it's got the screen up top. It's loading, got a nice power button. There, it's got a nice welcome screen, very attractive, well designed. Pull out the door here. See the different heating elements. You got the, let's see if I can boost you've got some, cooks with light, and can't really see it right now, but it's also got a camera in there. And just for comparison's sake, there is the Brava, and there is the June. So you can see just sort of the size difference. Let's open up the cooking cavities here. You got that, the Brava, and that's the June. So you can see the June has a bigger cooking cavity than the Brava, also a larger footprint, obviously. But that's what we're looking at. So let's go ahead and get this set up a little bit more.